Montreal. Old world charm, underground wonders, and a story on every corner. And you're still waiting for a guide to catch up. Group tours that rush past St. Joseph's Oratory, skim over the underground city's secrets, and leave before you've even caught your breath. Uvamai's Montreal self-guided audio tour gives you 12 of the city's most fascinating stops with expert narration uncovering hidden histories and stories you won't find on any plaque. For just $6, your private access link arrives straight to your inbox, a professional audio guide and interactive map, valid for 6 full days. No group, no schedule. Just Montreal at your pace. Start beneath Gare Centrale, where Art Deco elegance hides a secret gateway to the underground city. Marvel at Mary Queen of the World Cathedral, Montreal's stunning replica of St. Peter's Basilica. Climb toward St. Joseph's Oratory, the city's most visited pilgrimage site, and hear the story of Brother Andre's healing legacy. Step into the playful world of the Barbie Expo and wander Old Montreal's cobbled streets at your own rhythm, each stop unfolding its story exactly when you're standing there to hear it. Travelers from around the world have chosen Uvamai because they wanted to actually understand Montreal, not just photograph it. $6. 12 Montreal stories. Your pace, your journey. Get your access link now at uvamai.com.